Good Monday. But this came today. It was supposed to arrive tomorrow. They are steak knives. Something is rattling around in there. I'm checking eBay. Just typing in olive wood steak knives. This cost me $26 total. It's called forged or brute forged, B-R-U-T-E. They're sold all over the Netherlands. I read a review where someone complained that their box was damaged. They're supposed to be hand forged with a hardness of 58, which is acceptable. If the box is damaged, I could probably fix it. I hope it's not the wood handles. They look really beautiful. 4 hand-forged steak knives. And for $26, I had to take the chance. The seller was selling 2 of these. One was already sold when I saw the auction. Forged. If you type in brute forged or forged olive wood, you can pull up their website. How do I open this with that? I don't want to mar the wood. Oh, it's very tightly wrapped. All right, what about this? There you go. It smells like wood. It is, ooh. Okay, so I can glue these back. Oh, I bought a steak just for these. Oh my gosh, oh, they're bigger than I thought they would be. These are huge. Oh, I can just smell the wood. Oh, they're gorgeous. Ooh, the wood is gorgeous. Let's I need a piece of paper. Hold on. I need a piece of. Oh. Thank you. Okay. Why did I leave there? What was I going to get? What was I going to get? Why did I come over here? Oh. Really should be prepared. I got a piece of paper. Well, we're going to do a sharpness test. One of the reviews I read said the knives weren't very sharp. They've got good weight. These are not lightweight. If you go on the Amazon.de website, I think, you can see a whole bunch of these knives. And it says these are currently unavailable, but they've got some chef knives. Oh, they're gorgeous. The wood is gorgeous. Ooh. Ooh. Aren't they pretty? Wow, I couldn't believe it when I saw this auction. I don't think he knew what he had. That's beautiful olive wood. Isn't that beautiful? I just love wood. Oh, they're very attractive. Look at that. Very nice weight. And that's pretty balanced if you ask me. Look at that. Ooh. Isn't that gorgeous? Man. Oh, how much fun are these? I might have to put a finish on these because I do not like when wood gets dirty. Even when you oil it for a year or two and it starts getting dirty. Alright, so the broken pieces, I'm okay with this. I can glue these back. They might even be stronger once you glue them back. It looks like that one goes there. That's fine. I don't think this paper, I'm going to have to just cut that paper. Let's see if they're sharp. All right, you ready? Oh, hey! That's pretty sharp. Oh, let's do one more. Let's do a beauty shot. Oh, look at the wood. Look at that beautiful wood. My hand should have been clean. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hand forged. I picked this up this morning just for this occasion. Next week we'll do a whole video on my knife collection. These are gorgeous. I do not regret this purchase, and I was a little worried. To be continued. I don't normally get a steak that thick in this household, and we're going to pan sear. Constant flip method. Moment of truth, my friends. Oh, man, that looks like a hunk of meat. Thumbnail. Let's cut a little bit of the cap. You know we love the cap. Is she overcooked or undercooked? Here we go. Oh boy, that cuts beautifully. Let's see. So far, so good. We have to cut down the middle of it, too. I'm taking the whole hunk. Here we go. That's delicious. Let's cut down the center. It's okay. There's a good amount of pink in there. Isn't that pretty? What a beautiful knife. Let's cut a slice. Oh, just like butter. That's delicious. I'm going to eat my steak. These are gorgeous knives, I have to say. Very sharp out of the box, which is nice. Let's just do one more bite. One more slice, okay? Oh yeah. Thank you for joining me this Wednesday. You know what I'm going to say. Thanks for watching.